What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for this video we will unbox this Oppo smartphone lens and we will try to different subjects to see if we can use it for vlogging or if only for taking photos. This kit consists of 3 different types of lenses. Let's see their sizes. The fisheye lens has 25mm on top or on front and 17.85mm on the side as a height. And the second one is the 3 times tele lens. It has 44mm on top or on front and 30.18mm on the side. And lastly, the wide angle lens. It has 25mm on top or on front and 11.47mm on the side. So now, let's try them out. The fisheye lens, it creates the ultra-wide angle view, but it is quite disappointing that it darkens the other parts of the screen. But it is the nature of the lens that makes you only focus at the center and left only the circular fisheye view. I remember my Sony Xperia Z2 before, which used to have this camera view. The 3x tele lens, this one is quite heavy. If you use it, it will really add as an eye-catching accessory to your phone due to its elegant design and size. For vlog, I think this will be used if needed, as its feature is to zoom 3 times, perfect to shoot some insects or any smaller objects. Maybe soon. Wide angle lens. Look at that, it really gives you the wide angle view that you're looking for on any vlogs. One of the struggles of mobile phone vlogging is the zoom of your face on the camera, which makes you big on cam. As the default of the mobile phones, using this lens, it will make more space for the viewers to see more background on the video. I guess this is what I will use moving forward. Now, let us try them to other subjects. So that's it guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, share it to your friends. I am not sure what kind of lenses you use for mobile vlogs, but let us know by commenting it down. Before ending this video, here's the cat as a bonus.